In one of my last videos, I created these viral AI animation videos like Booth, Neo and Fern. I wanted to know if I can create these AI animations with free AI tools without using Blender or any paid animation tools. I created the images, the scripts, the videos and even the editing with free AI tools, uploaded it on my fresh YouTube account. I got around 2000 views and I knew that this niche could go viral. From seeing millions of views on TikTok and on YouTube Shorts, I knew that this could get me monetized fast. I can upload 7 days straight, create different videos and get my account monetized in just 7 days. That's what I'm going to try and show you at the end if this account got monetized, if I made any money and how many views and subscribers I got in just 7 days. You don't need any AI knowledge, any money or any experience. I'm going to show you every step for a beginner so you can start right now to create the same videos just like me. So let's start with day one. In day one, I wanted to create the images like I did in my last YouTube video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out after watching this video. I went to TikTok, went to one of the most viral videos, clicked on copy the link. I went to TalkScript and transcribed the script and put that in ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to create me a similar script about a similar topic with the same style and length because I knew that this script could get me money and could get me views. We will create a similar script in just a few seconds. So I went to ChatGPT for this part, for day one, and I started by putting in a little prompt. Can you give me 5 different stories that I can create a TikTok video about that are real, similar, and one you already created for me, with the examples of the channel Booth. With that, ChatGPT creates 5 different scripts for me for different stories. I wasn't really happy with that, so I typed in again, can you create full scripts for me for every single video idea similar to the one you created for me at the beginning. And with that, we get our final scripts. These scripts are final. I can just take them, copy them and put them into 11 Labs to get my voiceover ready and done in just a few seconds. These are viral ideas, viral structure and viral length. So I knew that with this, I can start creating my images. So I went to ChatGPT again and asked it to create me image prompts. Image prompts like you did for the first video. For each script, I want 6 image prompts. With that, ChatGPT creates again image prompts that I can use to create images that are consistent over the entire story, because that's the most important part about this. I wasn't really happy with the result again, so I typed in again, make each image prompt more in detail. So the structure, consistency and the settings of the images stays the same. Okay. With that, we have our image prompts. So I went to ChatGPT again, I put in an image example of a viral video that I knew, a screenshot, and put it into ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to create me images for my TikTok, YouTube Shorts, for my TikTok videos in the same style. I will give you exact image prompts and you will create the images for me. With that, we told ChatGPT that we will give them prompts and they will create images in the same style. So I put in the first prompt and in a few seconds I got my first image. I put in my next prompt, got my second image. Put in my next prompt and got my next image. If you don't have ChatGPT Premium, this could take a while to create, to be honest. But if you want to do it for free, you can just switch around your accounts and because you can create 6 images a day for free. So if you want to save money, I would recommend to buy ChatGPT Premium. But if you want to save money, just do it. So after creating a few images, I got dozens of images that are consistent. I can start creating the videos instantly. Okay, for the video part, I got a few different ideas. The first thing you have to do is go to the ChatGPT where you created your scripts and put in, can you give me prompts that I can use to create videos? For every image, I need a prompt describing what should happen in the video. So with that, ChatGPT will create me video prompts that I can use in my AI tool, in my video creation AI tool, so the AI tool knows what should be shown in the video. This is also a really important part. Do this and it will go to Runway. This is a free version. It will create images with a watermark, but we will fix that in the editing part, so don't worry about that. I went into Runway and put in my first image. I cropped the image and then put in the first prompt. I clicked on generate and then got my first video. And this is how we will do it with every single image that we generated. We put in the video prompt and click on generate. Again, crop the image, put in the prompt and click on generate. We will do this for every single image that we generated in the first part. I will show you this for the first video, but this is the same for every single video. Click on generate and get the videos in just a few seconds. I think Runway is a good idea for this. You can also use Kling AI or Video if you want. Runway is just an AI tool that I really prefer. So, easy. After just a few minutes, we got our 6 videos for the story that we can use. I mean, look at these. These look crazy. The next thing we have to do is also get us images that are fitting to the story that we generated. In this part, we talked about the abduction of Jennifer Cassie. I don't know who she is, but just type it into Google and you will get images that fit to the story of her face, maybe of her missing image, missing photos, or anything in that direction. It doesn't really matter. With that, we have our images ready, our scripts ready, and our videos ready. Now, the last part we need, after the videos, we need a voiceover. This is a quick part. Just go to 11 Labs and put in every script. I chose Liam. Choose a voice that you want, but Liam is one of the best for this kind of niche. I put in the script, clicked on generate, and boom, I got a voiceover in just a few seconds. Click on download and we can start creating the videos. How do you edit a video without using any money? I mean, Premiere Pro costs money. I would use CapCut. CapCut is one of the easiest and most known editing tools out there for free. I started to use this. You have to listen to the voiceover and put in the videos in the right order. Then mix it up with real images, put them above the video and use animations to make them pop in. Then I would always use sound effects. If it's a footstep, a car driving by, if it's just a suspension, a riser. So I did this for the entire video. I put in the video, overlaid it with an image of the person, put in sound effects to make the story better. Then I used song. I just went to the sound library of CapCut and looked for a creepy song that would fit to the story. Most of these are for free. You can just pick one of them and that's it. In just a few seconds. With that, we generated our first video. You can play around with the editing however you want. If you notice you can edit better than me, just do it better than me. If you have never edited before, this is the easiest way to start editing in just a few seconds. Okay, I created all the videos right now for the next 7 days and I already uploaded most of them, so we will go day by day and I will show you how I uploaded them, and after 7 days I will show you the results of the videos. And before we jump into day 2, if you want to actually learn how to make money using AI and an AI avatar, this is the first video I created with my actual face. If you want to know how to create a full AI avatar brand with just a few hours every single day, you can click the link down below. I will hop on a call with you and teach you, and we will talk about how to start your AI avatar brand so you don't even have to show your face to create YouTube videos. I grew my account to 60,000 views on Instagram and started to make my first $1,000 every single month in just a few months. So if you book a call right now, I will promise you will make your first $5,000 in just 90 days. It's easier than you think, so just book a call down there. It's completely free and it takes only 45 minutes. I have 5 spots left. If you want to start, you have to be fast. Day 2. On day 2, I uploaded the first video. I already uploaded a video on this account, so this will be the second video on this account. So I went to YouTube, clicked on upload and created a that is catching attention. You only have 100 characters in this position, so you can't put in a huge caption. So just put something short and there's something that is catching the attention of the people. I just put in a little title and clicked on next, and that's day 1. We uploaded our first video with just a few clicks and we just have to hope that it gets views. Right now it sits on 0 views and you can see that the last video was uploaded a few days ago. I will show you the times when I upload the videos so you know that this is actually experiment over the next 7 days and I didn't just upload it on one day. So if you worry why I'm always wearing the same sweatshirt, I already uploaded all the videos. We're just going day by day and see how I did it. Okay, let's head to day 3. On day 3, I did this exact same thing. We had a story about Maura Murray. If you wonder what I'm using here right now, this is vidIQ, the free version of vidIQ. If you download this Chrome extension, it will always give you suggestions of titles and even score them by points, how good they are. So for this video, we will try out if a suggestion by vidIQ works better than the titles that I created myself. And if you wonder how to edit the video thumbnail, you can't do that on a PC. If you really want to go viral and really want to change the thumbnail, you have to do it by the phone. I'm just showing this on a PC right now, but if you really want to change the thumbnail, and you have to do, I always hop on the phone and switch out the thumbnail, so when the people see it, they instantly know what the video is about. Again, that's the next thing. I just clicked on next, published the video. And now let's head to day 4. Day 4 was really similar. I created the video on day 1, uploaded it, created a little title, and then clicked on upload again. I'm back. This is day 5. You haven't seen the views yet, but I noticed that the videos all get a similar amount of views, so I wanted to change it up a little bit. So for day 1, we want to try out something different and see how it performs. So for day 1, I thought, let's generate a different script, different idea, create even the videos in a different way. I went to ChatGPT again, the place where I created all the scripts, and I put down that I want to create a different script with a different video idea. This has to be a really good one. So I created the image prompts again. This is the same part, but I wasn't happy with the prompts that were generated. So I put in little things that I wanted to do myself. So for example, I created the prompt of a house in Germany, but ChatGPT didn't put the word Germany in it, so I had to change it myself. With that, we generated all the images for this. We're just putting in the prompt again, generating all the images in just a few seconds. So in this part, I wondered what happens if I upscale the images to 2K resolution. Right now they are on 1080p, and I wanted to know what happens if I upscale the images to a better quality. So I did exactly that. I went to CapCut Upscaler, put the images in, and upscaled them to a better resolution. I did that with every single image, tried to make them better looking. So just go to CapCut, put in your image, and choose one of the resolutions on the right side. Then I went to Video AI, and now we want to do something different. We want to create images that are transforming into each other. So I started by putting in my first image, cropping it to the right aspect ratio. Clicked on create and created a video zooming to the house. Then I went to the video that I created and went to the last frame and created a screenshot, because we want to create a transformation from the last scene of the video into the first scene of the next video. We did that, creating a screenshot of the last frame, putting it into Video AI again, and using the image to image prompt, the last frame of the video and just the image that is coming after this video. I put it in and clicked on create again. With that, we are generating a transformation moving from the house to the place, to the road with the snow and the footprints. So we generated the first house video, the transformation between the house and the snow, and now we generate the video for the snow and the footprints. With that, we have the video of the house zooming in, the transformation between the house, and now we screenshot the snow again and use that last frame to generate a transformation between the snow and the next video. In this case, it's the woman looking out of her door into the direction of the footsteps. We put that in, create a transformation again. Then we put in the last frame of that video again and transform it into the next image. And this goes on and goes on. So the video doesn't just cut between the videos. There is a consistency between the videos that I thought that could work way better. And this is what it's all about. We want to create the videos and to make them better and better and better every single day and get more views with every single video. And with that, we have the videos that we generated and the transformation between the videos also. We go to CapCut again. We put in all the videos, and now the order is really important, obviously. We start with the house, zooming in the house, then transformation between the house and the snow, and then we put in the snow into the woman in the door transformation. Then we put in the woman looking out the door, and after that we put in the video with the transformation from the woman into the house. And with that, we generated our video that I think could go viral even more. We created a caption, we used music, and created a new type of video. So we went to YouTube again, clicked on upload, and choose our new creepy video. Then I used VidIQ to create a new title and a caption and clicked on post. With that, we posted our next video on day 5. Now let's head to day 6. Day 6 was really similar to the old videos. I didn't create a video in a new style because I wanted to know if the new style gets more views than the old style. So I uploaded this like the old videos before. I went to YouTube, put in a title that I wanted to use, and clicked on upload again. Now let's go to day 7. This is the last day of our video, so I went to YouTube again and I uploaded the video and put in the title in the caption. I uploaded all the videos of the week. I will just wait until this video gets some views and then we can analyze how far I got with just 7 days, if I got monetized, how many followers I got and how many views each single video got. And also analyze what gets views, what helped and what didn't help. Will it actually get me more views or not? So let's go to the analyzing parts. Now that we uploaded all our videos, let's go to the analytics and see what I got. The last video was uploaded 15 hours ago, so it's time to check out if we actually got views or not. If you go to the analytics, we see the average of my views are around 1500 views. I got around 20 subscribers in that time, in that week, and around 1500 views per video. So is that a lot? I think that is actually a lot of views. Because if you look at different channels in different niches, maybe even you uploaded a video once, you know that some of the videos at the beginning get like 20 or 50 views. There are obviously accounts that get millions of views, but I want to show a realistic example of uploading your first 7 videos on a fresh YouTube account. With 7 videos, I have enough footage to analyze why these videos went viral, why these videos didn't get more views than this, and what I did wrong in that time. So let's go to 1 or 2 videos and let's analyze why they didn't get more views. If you go to a video and to the interactions, you will see that this is the curve of the video. This is the key part of going viral. It's not uploading a video and waiting until it gets views. It's about understanding why it did not get views and why you and how you could do better videos. You see that the average was 18 seconds watch time. That is really bad. And the point where it's most people clicked away was here at this time. At this time, I showed the face of this woman in the video. And I think that's the reason why. To check, I went to another video and saw that the same thing happened when I showed the image of the house in the video. The same thing also happened when I showed the image of the woman that died on the bicycle in the video. So I knew after uploading 7 videos, beforehand I didn't know that these videos will not go viral because I used the image like at the beginning of the video. But now I know that I shouldn't use the image at the beginning and I could use it in the middle or at the end of the video. With that, I know what to do better at the next video and I know I can get more views than this. But looking at other accounts on YouTube Shorts, I know that this niche is tough. Videos like this from better accounts that create better videos also get around 5,000 views all the time and not like millions of views. But if you go to TikTok, the views are really different. They get millions of views and they make thousands of dollars for each video. So is it actually worth it to do this? If you just upload in YouTube Shorts, it will be tough to make money with this. But if you also cross-post it on TikTok, you could actually start to make money. You could also create better and better and better videos and actually start making money with YouTube Shorts. I created this video here, Unsolved Mystery of the Watcher.
It was a typical evening for Janet, a young babysitter, as she watched over 2 children in a quiet neighborhood. Everything seemed fine until she received a strange phone call.
Without using an image at the beginning, and if you want to know if that video went viral after a few days, you can go down in the description. The video and the link is from the channel is down below. Click on it. Also go down below and book a one-on-one call with me if you want to start your free journey and make your first $5,000 in just 90 days as a faceless creator. If you want me to make a video on how to create better videos and even how to do this on TikTok and with other niches, just don't go down below, comment something and I will create a video about that too. For now, if you want to learn more, click on the video here and comment and like this video for more videos like this.